Hello students, good morning to you all. I welcome you all to the online session of English. Today we will study chapter 5 from unit 1, that is Let's Learn Alphabet. In this chapter we will be studying capital letters as well as small letters. Let us start then. First we will study small letters. Children, look here. This is small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y, and the last one is small z. Now tell a word that begins with any letter. So children, tell me a word that begins with letter A. Yes, A for apple. Can you tell any word that begins with letter B? Yes, B for bat. Now let us see a word that starts with letter C. C for cat. Can you guess a word that starts with letter D? Yes, good. D for dog. Come on children, tell me any word that starts with letter E? Yes, right. E for egg. Children, tell me a word that begins with letter F? Yes, F for fish. Now, can you tell me a word that begins with letter G? Right, G for goat. Tell me any word that starts with letter H? Yes, H for hen. Now, let us see a word that begins with letter I. I for ice cream. Can you guess a word that begins with letter J? Yes, J for joker. Tell me a word that begins with letter K? Yes, right, K for kite. Come on children, now tell me any word that begins with letter L? Yes, L for lion. Now let us see a word that starts with letter M. M for mango. Can you guess any word that starts with letter N? Yes, N for nest. Children, tell me a word that starts with letter O. Yes, O for orange. Can you tell any word that begins with letter P? Yes, right. P for peacock. Now let us see a word that starts with letter Q. Q for queen. Can you guess a word that begins with letter R? Yes, R for rabbit. Can you tell me any word that starts with letter S? Right, S for sun. Children, tell me a word that starts with letter T. Yes, good. T for tiger. Now, let us see a word that starts with letter U. U for umbrella. Tell me any word that starts with letter V. Yes, V for van. Can you guess any word that starts with letter W? Yes, right. W for watch. Children, tell me a word that starts with letter X. Yes, X for Christmas tree. Now, let us see a word that starts with letter Y. Y for yak. Can you tell me any word that starts with letter Z? Yes, Z for zebra. Now, let us see the capital letters. Look here. This is capital A. capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, capital L, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y, and the last one is capital Z. So children, I hope that you all have understood the alphabets, that is the small letters as well as the capital letters. Practice the small letters as well as the capital letters at your home and stay safe. Thank you.